Hello, welcome to Miss T's Ideas. I'm up again, glue booking. I went to today. Come on in, have a seat. I went to thrift store today, and I found these pictures, and they're like this. They came like this in a little plastic. They were just sitting on the shelf, and they said 50 cents on them. So I bought them. There was just about 4 of them. I think they're cute. So I am up blue booking. I got this cozy little corner of the room, and I got my laptop to the left of me, and listen to blogs, whatever, while I'm glue booking. I kind of cleaned up my desk a little bit, my surroundings a little bit. I also found some good books too. Of Make and Do, How Things Are Made and Do. Yeah. I found a, I like this picture here. Let me see, you can't see it. This picture. I found a book they talk about hurricanes, and we get a lot of hurricanes in my neck of the woods. This is not the book though. This book is of Little Palm Island. Anybody know what that's at? Resort and Spa. I found this book, and we'll start to read it to see what's going on here. Where this is at? Little Palm Island. Let's see. It's some kind of resort. It's a nice picture. It's a nice scenery. So what are you doing tonight? Are you sleeping? Are you up like me? I used to work shift work most of my life. Most of my adult life, I was a nurse. I would work graveyard shifts. I worked 12-hour shifts at night. And my sleep pattern has never gotten right. Nope. While everybody's sleeping, I still I'm still up. I don't like taking medication. I wish I could find some kind of herb-based. I take a little ashwagandha vitamin. It's some kind of root, ashwagandha, and I take that. My daughter said it will help me sleep. I don't know. I just opened up my camera and decided to bring y'all along. So let me fix this phone. Oh, this is pretty bad. Pretty bad. Look at that. This is a resort though. Okay, let me stop playing and put this. I gotta glue. I've been sewing most of the day. my sewing machine. Let me see if I can raise you up a little bit. If you can see my sewing machine. Oh gosh. Let me see. Let me fix you. I'm gonna show you my sewing machine. That's my sewing machine. So that's what I've been doing. I'm making a book. I'm making a junk journal, and I'm sewing the pages, the signatures. That's what I'm doing. And I mean, I've been doing that. Ooh, I've done it before. I don't know why it seemed to be so tedious right now. Well, if you're new here, I know I am. If you're new here, my name is Miss T. Miss T Ideas. That's my handle. And I like to junk journal. I'm into junk journaling. I've made several junk journals, and I'm new in this world, but I've always been crafty. You know, I've always known how to sew. I'm an old lady. I've been here 3 decades of life. Grandchildren, yes. I have a 6-year-old. I have a 15-year-old. I have a 13-year-old, and I have an 11-year-old. 2 boys and a girl. That's my grandkids. Okay. And my first love is junk journaling, but I'm starting to like this glue book journaling too. I mean, it's a quiet, peaceful therapy. Even the junk journal, but the glue journal it's just something else too. I like them both. And they have one called a smash journal and a bullet journal. I don't know much about them. If you think you'd like it here on my channel, please hit the like button. If you think it's some more you want to see, because this is a video. I make shorts as well, and I got a video out there of that you might want to see of it. I found a bundle of craft supplies at Goodwill. Honey, I paid $14.99 for it, and they had vintage, you know, I could tell this stuff was old, but it was a stack of it. If you go to that video, you're gonna see. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. I made a short of it, but the short can't do the video no justice. You know, I reluctantly paid $14.99 for it, and adding up the cost in my head, because it still had prices on what people paid for it, the store was selling it for, and oh man, hundreds of dollars. And that's all I could think about when I was going through it, how I was kind of fussing to myself, because that $14.99 was a lot of money, more than I wanted to pay for it. But let me tell you, it was worth every penny plus. I'm new to glue journaling, and I'm wondering where people get the pretty magazines. Now I got some magazines. I recently acquired some magazines, but I still haven't gotten the magazine that have all the, kind of retro stuff and, guys and gals back in the day, big motorcycle. Actually, I looked at a book today with some Harleys in it. I don't think I got that one. Excuse me. Oof. I got the nerve to be yawning. It is, see what it is, 11:43 in the a.m. I got bad lighting and bad eyes. Is that a combo or what? Is that a combo? These pictures of these ladies are so nice. Let me see. Let me give you a better view. A better view. Okay, I got this cup of tea. And I think I'm going to use it as a focal point. To the side or something like that. Kind of tip it. Okay. So, go back and look at some of my videos. I mean, because if I make a short, I have a video to the short. And, I know that you guys are new to me and I'm new to you. And the shorts are doing much better than the videos. But I do know I have to keep making the videos to get to know everybody. And they get to know me. So I'm sitting here doing this and something tells me, hey, to get my video out, put up a video while I'm pasting, gluing, and hey, there it is. Keep putting them up, keep pushing. You gotta. I understand that people gotta learn you and you them. Well, I'm not gonna hold you long. I am not gonna say the kids, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not gonna even hold you. That's what they be saying. But I'm gonna sit up here and I'm gonna glue in this glue book until I get really tired. And I'm gonna end the video right here. This is Miss T and her ideas. All it is ideas. And let me tell you, I got some ideas. It don't have to necessarily be about this glue book, but I have some ideas. Because I don't mind creating. I love crafts and creating. I do. Well, this is Miss T Ideas. Follow my videos because all of my shorts, I have the extended video of them. And looking at the Goodwill video, hey, you're going to like it. Miss T Ideas. See you in the next video. Bye.